Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up and restore your data in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Okay, so backing up your data ensures that you have a copy of your important financial information in case of accidental deletion, data corruption, or system failures. This protects your business from losing critical financial records in the event of a disaster such as hardware failure, cyber attack, or national disaster. Obviously, having a backup of your QuickBooks Day Online data allows you to quickly recover and resume normal operations without significant downtime. Now, for us to be able to back up and restore the data, all you're gonna do is hover to the upper right corner of your dashboard. And from here, you should be able to see Backup Company. Alright? Now, in the event that you can't have or don't have an access to the Backup Company option here, that means you need to upgrade your current plan to the QuickBooks Online Advanced. Alright? That's one option. Or go to the Online Backup and Restore app. Alright, because from here, as you can see, you can back up your QuickBooks Online Advanced Company. You can continuously and automatically back up your QuickBooks Online Advanced Company changes and date. You can restore your company, easily restore a specific version of your QuickBooks Online Advanced Company based on the historical date and time. And all you have to do is click on the Get App Now. And once you do that, what will happen is you would be able to have an access to the backup and restore. Alright, now from here, now let's go to the backup option. From here, alright, online backup is restored, constantly receiving updates so you can compare, copy, and restore each of your backup companies at any date. Alright, now all I have to do is put a note here and choose from the backup type. Is it going to be quick, incremental, full, and complete? And you also have an option here that says show expires in 30 days backup only. And once you have done that, all the automation or this will gonna be auto populated. All right, and you can also do some manual backup if you wanted. Now when you hover to the restore option, as you can see, online backup and restore to a previous state from any time since it has been backed up. And obviously you can put some notes here and you can choose the data that you wanted to restore right here. Okay, now that your QuickBooks Online data is backed up here in QuickBooks, that will give you a peace of mind, allowing you to focus on running your business without worrying about potential data loss or disruptions. To effectively back up and restore your data in QuickBooks Online, familiarize yourself with the platform's built-in and restore features, or consider using a third-party backup solutions that offer additional functionality and flexibility. And I suggest is you need to regularly schedule backups to ensure that your data is consistently protected and up to date. Now, if by any chance you are encountering any problems during the backup and restore here in QuickBooks, just click on the Contact Us option. And from here, you can get support in the contact service option, and you can also call these numbers if you encounter any problems during the whole navigation process. All right. Now, I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.